Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up HubSpot Sales. First, connect your email inbox, like Gmail or Outlook, to send and log emails directly within the platform. Next, install the HubSpot Sales extension for your browser, enabling seamless integration with your daily workflow. Finally, customize your sales settings, including your preferred currency and time zone, ensuring all reporting is accurate and localized for your team. Now, let's configure your customer relationship management system. Begin by importing your existing contacts and companies, centralizing all your valuable customer data in one place. Then, create custom properties to track unique information essential to your specific sales process. Lastly, design your sales pipeline stages, typically 3 to 5, to accurately reflect your team's unique selling methodology and progression. Next, leverage HubSpot's powerful sales tools to boost productivity. Set up email templates to quickly send personalized messages, saving valuable time on outreach. Create meeting links, allowing prospects to easily book time on your calendar with just one click. Furthermore, utilize sequences to automate follow-up emails and tasks, ensuring consistent communication and maximizing your team's overall efficiency. Finally, focus on team collaboration and performance tracking. Invite your sales team members and assign appropriate user permissions, ensuring everyone has the right access. Configure sales dashboards to monitor key performance indicators and track progress against your goals. Additionally, set up notifications to stay informed about important prospect activities, fostering better communication and responsiveness across your entire sales organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.